Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. Hopefully my camera isn't fogged up. I don't think it is. Wait. Alright. So, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be talking about why chin mounts suck. Alright. Now, don't get me wrong, chin mounts itself do not suck. The company doesn't suck. It's just like the product, the actual chin mount stuff is great. It's just what they use, like the adhesive little sticky pads, right? So I live in Alabama. For users that don't know, I live in Alabama. The heat here is ridiculous. It's ridiculous heat, and it's just terrible, man. Like it's humid. Hot already, and temperatures get up to anywhere from, like, on an average summer day, it's probably between 92 degrees and 100 degrees. And a couple weeks ago, I think like 2 weeks ago, we hit a week where it was all in it was above 95 every single day. Now, with that being said, my chin mount, it just keeps falling off. The sticky pads, they don't work. And I've made multiple TikToks about it, saying, hey, I tagged chin mount, saying like, hey, my chin mount fell off, and they're saying like, hey, just contact us and we'll send you some more sticky pads. That's cool and all, but they probably want you to pay for the damn shipping. It's probably not going to be free. But they did say that they have every purchase of a chin mount has warranty, but I'm just not going that route, because I have plenty of sticky pads. Like, I got GoPro mounts for days. Like, I got plenty of sticky pads. I don't need another sticky pad. I just want something that's going to hold. So that is what we're doing today. We're on the way to Grotto AutoZone. So we're going to AutoZone. You already know what I'm going to get. All right, my buddy got it on his helmet, and that thing does not move at all. If you move my chin mount back and forth just a little bit, not even like pulling it, but like just a little bit of pressure, you can see where there's already a gap in between the chin mount and the sticky part, and you can see movement in it. And it's only been, and I've had to reheat this sticky pad up. So this is a new sticky pad, by the way. This is my second sticky pad, and this is the second time I've heated it up. The first sticky pad, I had that, it lasted me, I want to say it lasted me maybe a good 4 or 5 months. And then I went to work one day for 2 days, worked a 48-hour shift, and I did something dumb. Yes, it was on my end. I did something dumb. I left my helmet out in the garage, and obviously it's in Alabama. It's gonna get hot. Garages get hot more than a house would in a controlled environment. And yeah, I came home, my GoPro and my chin mount were on the ground. My sticky pad was still on my helmet though. So I reheated it up that one day, put it back on there, and didn't have a problem out of it for just another year, because that was during summertime. So like this summer, I didn't have a problem out of it until now. And then I rode to Atlanta, and it fell off again on the way back home because it was so hot out. Now granted, we did ride for a good like 3-4 hours. I had a 2.5-3 hour ride there. Then we rode around in the Atlanta heat, maybe 2-3 hours. Then we had a rainy ride home, yes, but it was still a little bit warm. And I'm guessing that was just enough, because it didn't fall off until I went to a gas station. So all that combined was enough to make it fall off. So, but yeah, we're going to AutoZone, getting JB Weld. I'm not playing around anymore. I'm bringing out the heavy duty stuff. Now a lot of you are gonna be like, oh, you're gonna mess up your helmet like that. Man, I ain't worried about this damn helmet, dog. It's a helmet. Helmets can be replaced. I'm worried about my GoPro falling off, because when our GoPro fell off in Atlanta, I was riding, and I just so happened to catch it before it fell into the street. I just so happened to catch it before it fell into the street, and I don't want that to happen anymore. So I got to do what I got to do. So with that being said, if I got to make a mess of my helmet in the process, who cares? Because that's another thing. I'm also going to be looking for another helmet. Probably going to be the Shoei RF 1400, because that was the helmet I was originally going to get before I got this Corsa R. And I was like, well, I don't want to spend the money on a helmet because, you know, I know it's going to protect my noggin and everything, and the RF 1400 is going to be a lot quieter apparently than the Corsa R. But I was like, I don't know if I want to spend that money just yet. But then I ended up spending $830 on this Corsa R, so why not spend the money, you know? And plus, everyone's saying Shoei's super quiet, it's super comfortable. I want to see if it's true. And it can upgrade my sound quality just a little bit in my YouTube videos. So you guys won't hear all that whistling and whatnot, which there's probably going to be whistling in this video because I got my vents open. So with all that being said, I know some of you are probably thinking, damn, Hollywood, you warmed it up 4 different times or 3 different times. I would have been broke out the JB Weld. But I was thinking more along the lines of, man, I don't want that crap all over my helmet. I don't want that sticker up on my helmet. What if I got to resell my helmet? Yada, yada, yada. I was going through all that stuff that everyone thinks about long term. But now I'm just at a point where it's like, fuck it. I've got to do what I got to do to keep making videos. And then, so when I get back, I have a head mount for my GoPro, like a head strap. And I tried to find my chest mount, but I can't find it. But when I get back, I'm going to try to find it so I can get you guys a better angle. Because I'm going to do this crap in the garage. I'm not going to go upstairs in my room, even though it's going to dry up there. But you guys already see my garage. And I mean, the OGs have seen my bedroom too. Not a whole lot, but a little bit of it. I just feel more comfortable in the garage doing it, in case I make a mess or something like that. And this thing pops so much more in dynamic mode. I don't know what it is, but the pops are insane in dynamic mode. Race Pro Mode 1, Race Mode, Rain, and I think it's Road or whatever. It just does not pop like dynamic mode does. Now, it never pops on the upshifts or anything like that, but downshifts, my god. Pops for days. Look at that. Oh man. Oh. I love it, man. Now I gotta try to do a U-turn right here without fucking dying. Auto Zone. Old reliable. Let me park over here so somebody fucks my shit. And my bike's dirty. It needs a bad bath desperately. Alright. Normally I'd record me going in, but you know, we are in Montgomery. Alright, I got it. I got the clear weld, and this one says it sets in 5 minutes. That's what I need, even though it's going to cure in 1 hour, because I'm not riding today anymore after this, and then I'm not going to ride until today's Thursday, so I'm probably not going to ride till Saturday afternoon of that. So, which I don't even know if this is going to fucking fit. Probably gonna have to put this in my pocket. It's totally fine. Okay, we're back. Now I had to disassemble my damn GoPro case because to put my head mount on, it doesn't have, I need to be able to have it out of the case so it can pick up as best audio as possible. So I don't know how close you guys can see, but this is literally what I'm talking about. Like, it's just a little bit of pressure. Like, that's enough pressure for my GoPro to be sitting on it and just pull down. See that right there? And like, that's wind pushing it down as I'm riding, going over bumps, like me taking it in and out of the mount, it just warming up or whatever. So we're just gonna go ahead and take this off. You got another drill. See, it didn't even, like, that was nothing to take that off. There was barely any fight. This is gonna be the same way. So this is another, this is a sticky pad that I had already. I just cut it up to fit the chin mount. So, yeah. All right. We don't need instructions. Get that out of here. Probably should read these though, for real. All right. Just break the cap. Put that in there. And I'll just use this little tray. This stuff stinks. Oh, then I gotta remember how this goes on here. Nope. All right. Like that. Probably should do this a little bit closer down to the edge so I can scoop it up. I want it to be kind of clean as possible too, so I'm not going to freaking lather it on there. JC, if you're watching this, I saw your JB weld. I'm bougie, man. I gotta have mine clean. Yours was terrible, dog. It was just globbed on there. I do want to get a thick coat though, just so it'll be evened out. Kinda, sorta. Don't want that. And then it's gonna push out once I press it on there. Oh, it's dripping. Probably what I should do, just let it drip for a little bit. Just strip the excess off. Okay, I think it's ready now. All right. I think mine's gonna be globbed up too. I take that back, Jerry. At least the bottom's gonna be globbed up until this dries. Okay, that's pretty much gonna be the video, guys. I'm just letting this dry. It said that it was gonna dry in like, I wanna say 5-10 minutes or something like that. I don't know, like this was already sticking just a little bit and this is not moving, sliding as bad as it was. See, our set time is 5 minutes, but cure time is an hour. It's already been like 10-12 minutes or so. And I'm just holding steady pressure. Like it's already ran down here just a little bit. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, share. I know the audio during this part of the video is probably not gonna be that great, just bear with me. I have to order another mic so I can start doing stuff from like the chest angle and the head angle, and it's gonna be a lot better. But don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, share, wear your gear, ride safe, don't get caught in the rain, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.